Hello everyone, I am Eray Demirtaş from Electrical and Electronics Engineering Department in Bilkent University, and this is my EEE-102 Introduction to Digital Circuit Design term project. My term project is Intelligent Traffic Light System. As all of us know, traffic lights are essential in life in order to prevent accidents. However, they are sometimes useless and they cause waste of fuel and waste of time. So I designed this project in order to reduce this waste of fuel and waste of time as much as possible. So the basic logic behind this project is, if there exists a car on the road whose traffic light is red and there exists no car on the road whose traffic light is green, this green light will turn to red and this red light will turn to green. In order to understand whether there exists a car on the road or not, I used movement sensors which are PIR, dual passive infrared sensors. So as every object emits radiation, these sensors detect these different levels of radiation. As you can see, when it sees an object in front of it, this light turned on, which means there is an object in front of it. So there are 3 pins on the sensors. One of them is for VCC, one of them is for ground, and one of them is for the output. There is also a little screw which enables us to determine the range of the sensors. So in my project there are 3 roads. In one of these roads, when a car comes from this road, it can either go straight forward or turn right, and this light is for turning right, and this light for is going straight forward. A car comes from here and goes straight forward, and a car comes from here and goes straight forward. So also there are 2 actual default states. In one of these states, these 2 lights are red, and the lights on this road is green. In the other states, as it changed now, these 2 lights are green, and these lights on this road is red, and these states changes in every 42 seconds. So let's see how it works. So as you can see, these lights are green right now. So let's see when a car comes from here and here. So as you can see, as there is a car coming from this way, it doesn't let the car go straight forward. However, as there is no car coming from this way, it let this car turn right. And after a time, it turned back to the original state. Now it changed the state. So let's see another one. So when a car comes from this road, as you can see, it turned to red as there is no car coming from this road. And after a while, when it waits for this car to pass, it turned back to the original state. So that was the hardware part of my project. There is also the simulation part of my project. So as you can see, the roads and the traffic lights are displayed on this screen. So I used 4 switches on my basis 3 FPGA board. These 3 switches are for making cars come from these roads, and let's see. This switch is for the car coming from right, this switch is for the car coming from left, and this switch is for the car coming from downwards, and the other switch is for making this car turning right or going straight forward. So let's see. So I want this car to turn right this time, so I open the switch. So this time it changed the state. So let's see another simulation, which this car will go upwards. As you can see, in the original state, these 2 LEDs are green right now. So the original state has changed while these cars are coming. So actually these lights were green. However, when this sensor also sees a car coming from this road, these lights turned red and this light turned green, as the priority is for this car. As the original state, this light was green. So after this car passes this line, these two cars are let to move. So by this way, these cars weights as low as possible, and there will be no car accidents. So this project can be actually further developed and can be added some further developments for the real life. So thank you for watching and have a nice day.